line. This is nerve-wracking. That's scary as fuck.
Go, Santos. No, use the ball right there. No, thing right between your feet. You gotta stand on that thing. 1 foot there, 1 foot there. Just push, trust me. Just a push motion. Go, Santos, go. Dude, your feet can't get stuck no matter what. Yep. Arch more. Stop. Yo, go. You wait, no. You made me. Bitching up. Bitching up moment. Bitching up moment.
You've done it before. I've never.
You bitching up, Santos? Santos bitching up? You going to a lower ledge? Skin dive off right there. That shit's not hard at all.
Oh, no,
It's actually very fucking deep. I didn't even touch bottom at all. You got nervous.